Next.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
Wa alaikum salam wa rahmatullah.
My name is Gohar Ahmed Jawahir and I am a student of Jamia Ahmediyya, Canada.
Acha, mashallah. What are you doing here?
Hazur, since Jamia is online right now, I'm following class from Mauritius.
You are in Mumaida class?
Ula.
Ula. So Ula is also online.
Yes, whole Jamia is online.
Acha.
Yes.
Acha, mashallah.
My question is, what advice can you give to Jamia students like me who are pursuing their studies online nowadays?
You see, you have to be honest while you are studying online. Your teachers do not know where are you and what are you doing. You pretend that you are online and you are not. So be honest, right? As I know some of the students, university students and school students, those who are studying online, they actually are not involved in online studies. And they pretend and they pose that they are online, whereas they are not. And their teacher think that they are. So you have to be honest. And secondly, now you have more time since you are sitting at your home. You should study, give some extra time on your extra studies, like reading the books of Prophet Islam and studying the commentary of the Holy Quran and such other religious books, right? That will also help you to increase your general knowledge during these days. Okay?
Yes, Hazur.
Acha, chalo, fir, next.